Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on how to assign an update to your chosen audience. Let's create an update together. For this example, we want to share our company policy with our supervisors and 2 more senior employees. Begin by naming your update, adding your message and design, attaching your updated company policy, and clicking Next. This is where we can select our audience. Here we have 2 options. We can decide what groups we want to include and also add individual users that do not belong to those groups. Let's begin by adding our supervisors. Now we can decide if future supervisors should have access to the update or just current ones. We'll leave it so that the future ones will also receive it. Finally, let's add the 2 other senior employees we wish to receive the update, and we're good to go. Click on the next step, select the other settings that are critical for you, and publish the update. Thanks for watching.